guys, it's Anissa. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about a hair oil. I'm going to be talking about the curls, blueberry and mint tea hair growth and scalp treatment. I've heard a lot of good things about this, and I've been seeing it in the store a lot, so I finally decided to, pick it up. I had to cop it. I had to pick it up. So y'all know I love my hair oils, okay? So I had to get this to test it out. I've been using it for about a month now, so I'm going to be reviewing this product and also showing you how I use it. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead, subscribe, like this video, comment down any other videos you'd like me to do down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at AnissaDoesIt. All right, if you guys want to see a review on this product, how I use it, and how I feel about it, then go ahead and keep on watching. All right, let's get into the video. So here's the product up close. So it says formulated with certified organic corn, mint, blueberry seed, and coconut oil, proven to increase hair growth, soothe and refresh dry, itchy scalp, prevent breakage, and relieve itching. The directions say apply blueberry and mint tea hair growth and scalp treatment daily. Apply directly to entire scalp. Gently and evenly distribute. Do not rinse. Use before and after braiding hair, when wearing a wig, creating a protective style, or installing, taking down weave and extensions. I use this. I've been using this like twice a week. Twice or 3 times a week. It's like the second day after I wash my hair, when my hair is already like kind of getting frizzy. I don't like to use it right when I wash my hair, just because like this product actually really does smell like mint. Like when you use this, you'll smell like a pack of gum. For like, you smell like you're chewing gum. Like it smells really minty, but I actually don't mind it, especially since I use it at night. So when I wake up in the morning, like the smell is still there, but it's not anything like too crazy. Especially like if you use some body spray, it'll like cover up the smell. And if no one's just like smell your scalp, like you'll be fine. It really smells like mint. And with the mint, I really like it because it makes your scalp tingle. Like when you're using it, you get like a tingling sensation. So it makes it feel like it's like really working and really like getting into your scalp, which is not a bad thing, because to me, I like feeling like our products are actually doing something. So when I feel the tingling, it just makes me feel like, oh, bet my hair's gonna grow, bet my hair's gonna get healthier. Like that's what I'm thinking as I'm feeling it. And it's kind of relaxing too, like just like a fresh, like cool feeling. And especially if you deal with dandruff or itchy scalp, because I do have dandruff low key. Like it's not bad. When I was younger, it kind of was bad, but I don't know, got better. But I do deal with dandruff, and my scalp can be itchy just like anyone else. Like I'm pretty sure everyone has dealt with like their scalp itching. So I think this would be really good if you do deal with those. Do deal with those 2 things, itchy scalp and dandruff. These would be really good since it's very hydrating, and you could really feel it like penetrating and like getting in there. Like I was saying, I do use it 2 to 3 times a week, and I have seen a difference in my scalp just by using it for like a month. That amount, my scalp has been really like hydrated. It hasn't been itchy. I haven't seen any flakes. Like usually when I get to the end, like day 4 of my hair, like I can like see some flakes popping up in my part, but I haven't been seeing anything. I think this is good for hair growth just because of the mint. I've never used any other hair products with blueberry in it, but it's actually really good. Like it doesn't smell like blueberry, it smells more like mint, but yeah, it works really good. Haven't noticed any hair growth yet. I'll give you guys a little hair update. This is my hair. Like I was saying, I've only been using it for a month, so I won't notice like a huge change in my hair growth, just because I also do use Jamaican black castor oil, if you guys knew that. But since I decided I wanted to start using this more frequently, I stopped using Jamaican black castor oil for now, because I'm never gonna stop. But I stopped using it for now, and I'm just gonna stick to this for a while just to see if it really does make a difference in my hair length. So my bottle's like up to here right now. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to finish it in the next like month or 2. That's all I wanted to say about this. I really do like the product. It really does, like if you like products you can feel it actually working, this is the best thing for you, because like usually products are just like sit on top and like you'll know it's there but you don't actually feel it doing something. But yeah, this you can feel it. So if you don't mind that, I think you guys should get this product because I really do like it, and the packaging is just so cute, like blue and green. Cute. I'm going to insert a clip of me using this product. I used it like 2 nights ago, I think. So yeah, in that clip, I was just using it. So go ahead and keep on watching if you'd like to see how I use it. And I'll do like a voiceover explaining everything that I do. All right, here's me showing the product one more time. And now I'm going to show you the consistency of it. It's pretty watery in my opinion, but I kind of like that because it's easier to rub into my scalp. Here's my before I use it. It's kind of dry. And when I apply the product, I just do it side by side. So I don't like to do my whole scalp at once. Since it is watery, it'll like drip on your shirt. And then I'll start rubbing it in, making sure to get it everywhere. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, the same exact process. And I'll do the same thing with the back of my scalp, making sure to get it everywhere and making sure I rub it in really good. I'm always doing a little dance in every video. Alright, and I like to take a little bit on my hands just to do my edges because since it is watery, it'll like drip on my face and I don't really want it on my face. So yeah, just keep rubbing it in, making sure it gets throughout your whole scalp. And make sure to get that neck, girl. Get that neck. Alright, here's my hands after. Pretty oily. Here's my scalp after. And that's easy. That's all I do. I do that 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, so my final thoughts. I really think this product is good. And if you like feeling your products working, and you like mint, you like smelling like gum. Yeah, but seriously, it's not that deep. But yeah, this product is good in my opinion, and I'm gonna keep using it. And I'll probably do another updated video once I finish this bottle. If I feel like it helped grow my hair, if that helps in the long run, since I only use it for a month time span. Go ahead and like this video if you guys liked it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching.